Hello everyone, today we are at Abbey Wood, and as you can see I've got an upgrade from last year. This is the Carrera Titan X. I used to have the Carrera Fury. That bike was fully rigid, had no suspension whatsoever. So for me personally, this is a big upgrade. I've got a big spring downhill fork at the front and a RockShox air shock at the back. 12-speed cassette, all SRAM components, RockShox dropper post as well. Nice. And of course, a bell. Why not? So now, let's get shredding. Let's send it. Over the roof.
Okay, so now I'll pause here. I didn't say this in the video, but there's actually a fox in front. I'll try to zoom in and show you.
Over all of these. Wow, going in super fast to this very slippery downhill. That wasn't the best line. But as you can see, a lot more progress since last year. And now we just pedal. Whoa. And now, instead of going all the way down, we're going to head up here. Oh, nice. So this is the place where me and my friend filmed the long jump video. As you can see, the ground's a bit more muddy over here. Less leaves. That's because we cleared this. So now I'm just gonna film a few shots here and should be sick. Let's get jumping. Do, 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 do. Okay, one last time before we go. Let's send it. Whoa. This is the part where it goes uphill and where you hear me dropping a lot of gears. Definitely the least favourite part of the ride. Climbing up, back up to here, and then either cycling or walking up this huge hill which we got down from.
If the hill doesn't look steep, it's just like that on camera, because this and this are the same hill.
That wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video and if you would like more videos like this. Can we get all the mountain bikers, all the bike communities in the world to please comment on this video? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.